first, open your Facebook app, then click this. Go to your profile. As you can see, I have a lot of shared posts. So this is on how to delete all your shared posts quickly. So first, click this 3 dots in upside button. Then click this. And click this. Now just scroll up. Then click this. And click this. Now click this all button. Then scroll up and check all post if it's all shared post. If it's not shared post, just click to unselect. So if you're done to check, just click this trash button. Then click this. And click this trash button again. So in this, just click this select all button. Then click this 3 dots in downside button and click this delete. Now put your Facebook password. Then click this submit button. Now that you know how to delete a shared post easily, can you please subscribe to my channel if you are new here so we can create more tutorial content like this? Thank you for watching.